New developments tonight involving a lawsuit against the City of Midland and 3 police officers. That lawsuit, filed by 5 Midland Christian staff members, will move forward. A judge making that decision today. Tyler Dupnick was at that hearing and has more on this situation. Tyler?
Yeah, Alex, after arguments from both the defense and prosecution, the judge ultimately ruled to keep the lawsuit alive. The lawsuit was brought by 5 Midland Christian staff members who claimed the city and officers severely damaged their reputations. Jared Lee, Gregory McClendon, Matthew Counts, Barry Russell, and Dana Ellis initially filed the lawsuit in August of 2022. The 5 were accused of failing to report abuse and concealing it. The case involves a student who claimed he was assaulted by the baseball team. The 5 were later no-billed by a grand jury, meaning the jury did not find enough evidence to take the case to court. In speaking with their attorney earlier this afternoon, he explained their case.
The affidavit was just full of false statements, and that the police officers knew it, and that the people above them knew it, and they went and got an arrest warrant for these 5 administrators on false information.
Now, Hardin has decades of experience, but he said this case is a first for him.
I've never seen anything like this. That affidavit had so many incredible false statements, and we laid them all out, actually, in the complaint that Aisha filed, or primarily drafted.
Now, the 5 later amended their lawsuit to include another case that involved Lee, Ellis, and Counts. They were arrested again on charges of failing to make a required child abuse report. With that defense attorney telling us it involved a student getting hit in the head with a bat. The city filed to dismiss both of these lawsuits and were denied both times. Now, Hardin told me that the defense filed this motion to dismiss the case for a lack of sufficient basis, but again, the judge ruled otherwise. Hardin also mentioned in our conversation that they support law enforcement, but this situation did a dishonor to the profession and they need to be held responsible. There are no updates currently for dates in the future. Alex.